World Rivers Day. Fourth Sunday of September. World Rivers Day is celebrated on the fourth Sunday of September to celebrate the world's waterway and to highlight the values of rivers, as rivers face an array of threats. These threats can be stopped by the active involvement of the people to ensure the health of the rivers in the years ahead. World Rivers Day aim. The day aims to strive to increase public awareness and encourages the improved stewardship of the rivers around the world. Celebrate the waterways of the world and highlight the importance of rivers. Raise awareness and encourage people to preserve important and beautiful rivers. World Rivers Day history. The United Nations launched a Water for Life decade in 2005 to help create a greater awareness of the need to better care for the water resources across the world. After this initiative, the World's River Day was established in response to the proposal by Mark Angelo, the internationally renowned river advocate. Many river enthusiasts from across the globe came together to organize the inaugural WRD event. The first WRD was celebrated in 2005 across dozens of countries. Currently, several million people across more than 70 countries celebrate the many values of waterways. Importance of rivers. Rivers carry nutrients and minerals to areas all around the earth. Rivers play a crucial part in the water cycle, acting as drainage channels for surface water. Rivers provide food and habitat to many of the earth's organisms. Also, many rare trees and plants grow by rivers. Otters, ducks, and beavers make their homes on the river banks. Plants like bulrushes and reeds grow along the river banks. Some animals use the river for food and drink. Birds like kingfishers eat small fish from the river. Animals such as antelopes, lions, and elephant drink water from rivers. Animals like bears catch fish from rivers. Many different species of wildlife are present in river deltas. Mammals, birds, and insects use the delta for their home and for food. Rivers provide paths and travel routes for commerce, exploration, and recreation. Valleys and plains near rivers provide fertile soils. Farmers in dry regions irrigate their cropland using water carried by irrigation ditches from nearby rivers. Rivers act as an important energy source. In the early industrial era, shops, mills, and factories were built near rivers from which water could be used to power machines. Steep rivers are now used to power hydroelectric plants and their water turbines. Causes of river pollution. Fertilizers and pesticides on the crops are washed through the soil by rain and end up in rivers. Pesticides and fertilizers are harmful because they cause algae to grow. The algae then destroy water plants. Also, factories that use water from rivers to power machinery or to cool down machinery put back the water containing chemicals in the river and causes pollution in the river. Other than this, people dump rubbish and plastics such as bottles and crisp packets directly into the river. These factors led to river pollution. Effects of river pollution. River pollution kills water plants and animals. The polluted water causes diseases to animals, people, and other living beings that depend on water. People also get many diseases by eating an infected animal. Farming and other agricultural activities suffer as they depend on the river water. Solution of river pollution. Government of all countries must take efforts to clean dirty rivers. People should be educated about river pollution and how it affects the life of people and other living beings that depend on water. Governments and organizations can encourage and conduct events to clean up the river. How to celebrate World Rivers Day? On the World Rivers Day, you can get involved with organizations that celebrate Rivers Day. You can participate in a local event such as a litter clean or a beach litter pick. Get active in working with teams to improve the quality of local rivers by cleaning them. Take part in programs that focus on the wildlife that lives in the rivers. Celebrate the day by going for kayaking, sailing or canoeing. Conduct virtual events and discussion to create awareness to keep the rivers clean and help the local wildlife enjoy healthy habitats.